Loaded it products oatmeal to them to feed their body. The blue whale swim to the surface in 1,000 water in as soon as from the home. Oh, listen for the sound. Blue whale sing as they swim. In will sound làm out in sound can be helpful when a feeling up on mum or stuff. A blue whale eat the animal and plant. Blue whale that I to find food. Whale an animal. The blue whale the biggest blue whale is the biggest animal. It as heavy as a tree elephant and oak out for the spam. Our blue whale have to the when the how to bring them what make a blue whale more rather than I have here on their body. He and some in their development. And blue whale is a lot other food. Have them have them grown a bluebird eat a kind of plant and it keep it the will warm in cold water. A great big baby baby blue whale eat a come up bring in a lot of milk each day, a gram of lager every hour. A blue whale madam have one call at the time. The constant a with them home a farm a garden and it swim up to feed it on it out. A whale open its mouth, tiny animal and plant from in with the water. A blue whale will have a limb in its mouth, but in it like stiff hair. The water go out the balloon and the food stay inside. We come out of some medium said we don't need a brainstorm when I to get him down said Sam. We come I'll move I'll jump for like I under the tree some little old sister Sarah said is that I made it I think not was a some and look over the eating not of them Sarah said. Well, they went egg on the beam, climbed down and left on it. Left on it out warm. Out the bear is gone. Sam said, look on the present side. Miriam said, let's and you can have the Joseph now the she smell. Bear slept in many bear sometimes I'm come close to people home. I got it some sour weekend and make a trail of not leading back to the forest. He said, let's try it, Miller, said everyone, and when the earth from under a tree in the backyard. Rush, all the idea said it's Miller to some the idea on his pad of paper. Mom, what sort of children? Oh, Sarah, I play some ready bass music, Mr. aloud. Out the sun rim, out the idea. On his backpack of paper, then he will out the climbing up the tree to get away from the noise. Mom them bear in that tree over them some cold. We need it to get him down before our Joseph sale start, he said. The interest is from his brother have many problems. He would not let his brother go. Oh, the interest is what for a brother that into the lake. He did not see first. A brother give the children to first brother. A fifth brother come out of the water. He gave the tree some to the merchant. And the merchant it was first a dragon and take the treasure. The again is the strength was as first a brother leg at the diagram on chest five I at him in run and hard body he did not feel it the dragon can become champ. I second and brother fell out the brother to five I in it land his second brother fell out his fifth brother he told him their plan and the brother want to have him get the treasure. That night, for one for overeaten earth brother him here fifth brother called for if I eat land and what at one on last egg dragon on and what the treasure the master ate of his brother to get children from fire. I eat land then and he will be free. Either me each apple would eat food free brother in them. Goodbye, teacher.